Dr. Wayne Orr recently received a $1.45 million four-year renewal of an RO1 grant for an extension of work he began 12 years ago.
This is an extension of work that I brought with me to LSU from my postdoctoral training, looking at how the matrix proteins that make up the vascular wall affect cell function in atherosclerosis, right? So atherosclerosis is the buildup of lipids and inflammatory cells within the large vessels that can grow to restrict blood flow to target tissues. So there are a lot of wound-associated proteins floating around in the blood, and when you get a wound, these leak out into the tissue. Well, in atherosclerosis, these same wound proteins seem to accumulate in the endothelial cell layer early on during athero, and our work suggests that this causes the endothelial cells to be more pro-inflammatory and to drive some of the local early inflammatory changes in the vessel wall. So this grant would be looking at how the endothelial cells sense that difference in the matrix composition, what receptors are involved, how those receptors translate this change into that pro-inflammatory phenotype, and whether we can alter plaque formation by blocking this response. I like this target as a potential treatment for atherosclerosis because unlike a lot of the things that people are using right now to inhibit inflammation, this should just push cells back into a more of a normal phenotype rather than shutting down all inflammation.